Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. So this task was related to conversion of the VBA script to the Google Sheet script. You can do the work online. So now I have added the I have pasted the data you just shared, the latest CSV file. So the earlier data has 233 entries, but this one has more entries up to 260. And here I have marked the last cell, 296, row number 96 is the last entry in here. And on outstanding settlements we have 27588. So I'm selecting the last row so that once we are working on it you can see the processing and you will see the next entry below the last selected cell. Okay, so how this is going to work, similarly you have to paste the data from right at the first cell and it will come down right like this, and then you need to come here and press this button. So once you will be you are running this for the first time, it will ask you for the authorizations. I'm running it now. um, it will ask you for the authorization, and you have to authorize it by clicking the left bottom, and then the allow the script so that it can run on this sheet. So this will be that will be only related to this file, not any other files on your system. So now let me show you the outstanding funds. You can see we have selected the last entry at row number 96, and it has added the more entries right in here. There are some duplicates in here, and rest of these are seem to be new entries. And it didn't took more than 10 seconds almost. Similarly, on this sheet, the outstanding settlements, we have the last entry was 27588, but now we have more entries in here. Now I'll show you quickly the archive funds thing. So I'll press this button so that what it will do, it will take, so 5005 entry is the last entry on this here, and you can see this has been added more, and obviously those will be deleted from the feed sheet as per requirement. Similarly, on the archive settlement, let's see if this goes first. Yes, this has also added few entries in here. So there will be no archive in here right now. Let me show you quickly. Okay, I think the column V is the column for the remarks. Is it? I don't know. Yes, it's column V in here. So now let's see on if we have any archive list in here. We don't have any entries in here. Let's check quickly the outstanding settlement on column B. Similarly here as well. So the rows are deleted from here and are being entered in the relevant sheets. So that's it from my side. Yes, one more thing. You wanted to color the highlight the green color, so it's doing that as well. I think you wanted to do the whole line. Okay, I'll stretch it to column by. So that's it from my side. Please let me know. And yes, literally it took me a lot of while, a lot of time and efforts as you required it earlier. So please consider that. Thank you.